right, so we're continuing our journey towards a better understanding of the base 12 version of pi by constructing this diagram that generates all 360 degrees using base 12 geometry. And from this geometry, the base 12 version of pi is going to emerge. So we're just starting out with the first ring of the diagram. I've shown you how to construct this diagram. We're using this initial seed of life pattern to generate the degree lines that are in 15-degree sections. And from that, we were able to position these large circles with the two smaller circles inside them. And these large circles have the diameter of one section of dodecagon on the fourth ring of the dodecagon. So its diameter is 1.8 root 2 and its radius is 0.8 root 2. So that's the larger circle. Then there's the two circles inside that, and those are the sections of diameter that we're fitting into the circumference with a little bit of space on either side. So we've gone over all that geometry. Now I want to just go over the extra sections of degree that we've created in that first ring. Because again, we had 15-degree sections, but we can see by the placement of that small circle that we actually half that 15. So if we divide that, or 13 by 2, we get 7.6, but actually what we're doing is dividing that 30-degree section by 4. So in base 12, 30 degrees is 26. So the actual calculation for that is going to be 26 divided by 4 equals 7.6. And so we're going to do that for each consecutive ring, dividing 26 by the number of large circles, which is going to be a unit of 4. So it's going to be 4, then 8, then 9, A, B, 10, and so on. We'll see that progress in the videos to come. So that's basically it. We also went over the interior angles that's created in the small circles. And so for the first ring, again, it was 119 degrees in base 12, which is 165 in base 10. So if we go to the second ring of the diagram, we're going to be using the same formula, n minus 2 times 130 divided by n. So in the next ring, we're going to be doubling what happened in the first ring. So we have, instead of 12 large circles, there's going to be 24 large circles. And so there's going to be 48 small circles, 48 sides to the overall polygon. So that's the number that we're going to plug in base 12. So that's 40 minus 2 times 130 divided by 40. So we get the answer. I haven't memorized it, but there it is right there. So that's the interior angles of the second ring of the diagram. So we're getting a little ahead of ourselves, but we're going to be giving you, basically I'm going to be giving you all that information from ring to ring, calculating the sections of degrees that we calculate in each ring and the interior angles and any other information that I can think of as we progress throughout the diagram. So I hope you can join me